Well friends, here is another problem. The given problem is PTV question mark. Given options are B, C, D and E. Well friends, before solving this problem, I'll write the positions of these letters. Now what is the position of the letter P? Yes, it is 16. The position of J is what? Yes, it is 10. Position of F is what? Of course it is 6. Now what is the position of letter T? Yes, it is 20. The position of H is what? It is 8. The position of L is what? It is 12. Now similarly, what is the position of V? Yes, it is 22. The position of R is what? It is 18. Well friends, now observe here. 16, 10, 6, 20, 8, 12, 22, 18. Now this 6 can be obtained if I consider 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 is equal to what? It is equal to 6. Okay. Now this 12 can be obtained if I consider 20 minus 8, that is what? 12. The same analogy I will use to find out this missing letter. Okay, that is what? 22 minus 18. So 22 minus 18 is what? 4. So now I have to select the letter whose position is 4. Now which is that letter which is having position 4? Of course it is what? D. Let us compare the given options. The first option is B, the second one is C, the third one is D, which is the right answer. Well friends, you may consider row or you may consider column. The only thing is that you have to get the relationship between those letters to get the answer. Well friends, we will solve some more problems.